Yep. Video. I did. Crazy. Alright guys, I am going to come in here. Oh, I need a light. Because I need to look for bags. So I want to see what we have. I need my phone because I need a light. So let's go back up and get it. Guys, we can't bring big bags with us to our trip. So I'm gonna go down and see what we even have because I don't know. And then figure it out from there. Honestly, I completely forgot that I had this purple one, but it came with my big purple one that I have, so that works out. And then I guess my sister's gonna take, because that's hers. It's a little bigger than mine. I just don't know if this is too small. Okay, yeah, this will work out. I have my carry-on and I have that. Together, they should be fine. You know what I'm just realizing now? First of all, the people outside could see me. I wanted one with 4 wheels. So maybe I can give that one to my mom to use and I can buy my own smaller one with 4 wheels. That can work because we don't have 3. Oh, she was gonna use one of my grandma's actually. But she can use mine if she wants and I can get my own. That's an option. I'll have to ask her when she gets home. Now that that is all figured out, I'm gonna get a little at-home pedicure ready for my mom because it's Mother's Day. I think they're walking the dog right now. So I'm gonna get the foot water thing. Alright guys, we just had our Mother's Day dinner and gift giving. I almost choked to death. I was eating cracker chip things after we ate and I inhaled a little piece and it got stuck. I feel like it's still there, but I'm okay for now, so thank God. I'm getting ready right now to do a workout, so what time is it? It's 7:19. We're gonna work out and then I'll shower and get ready for bed so that I can get up a little bit earlier. And then we might get paint to paint the house. That should be interesting. I'll show you guys all of it if I remember because I've been sucking at remembering to vlog. Good morning, you guys. Look at me vlogging right away in the morning. Who am I? I just had a couple of blueberry muffins. Healthy, sugar-free. Now I'm just waiting to go on my 5K. I'm on my walk. It's so not nice out. It's freezing. It could be winter. It is so freezing. It's 4 degrees in the middle of May. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. I'm trying to walk as fast as I can. And make sure there's no one around me to see that I'm talking to myself. Not myself. I know it's not to myself. And no one else knows that. I go home, help my mom paint the house because she wants to paint today. So it'll give me something to do. Anyway, I was bored. So I'll pull you guys out and I just started my walk. So I have a while to go. My leg's itchy. So it's currently snowing. It's the middle of May. I think it's the 16th. It's snowing. You can't really see it, I don't think, but it is. So stupid. Here's the before of the
I'm really impressed with because I do. This is my slice of the J. Hodge game for my birthday. Wow. How beautiful. The onions? Yes. What do I got next? Start your fries, maybe? Then
Something we surrender that. I love you, you love me. We're a happy purple family. Not that purple.
Okay, so as you can tell from behind me, the painting is done. It does look pretty purple, so we're probably going to end up repainting it one day. But this is what it looks like. It's like gray purple-ish, you know? Like a mix. It looks green in the camera, but it's more purple. And we did not want that. So we're probably going to repaint it, not soon. I don't know. I really don't know. It's all up to my mom. But yeah, it looks very purple right there in person. I'm going to start supper and wait for my sister to get home. Then she wants me to go try the new Dairy Queen Blizzard. It's a s'mores. Then we're going to work out. Oh, and Survivor's on tonight. So Survivor night.
I didn't realize my car was perfect for vlogging. Oh my god, look at my hair.
Okay, guys.
So
I
embarrassing.
got... Shane wanted me to try the s'mores blizzard. So that's what I got.
I'm telling you, I tried it like 2 weeks ago and I think it's the best blizzard I've ever had in my life. So,
I like a brownie one, so we'll see. What did you get?
I got the churro cone. Look at it, it's so pretty. I own it. I'm very excited. Okay. Do you want to go first or me go first?
We'll both go.
You go first. Is it not the best thing you've ever had in your life?
Cold.
Because the graham cracker gets like blended into the ice cream, so the ice cream has a texture. It's so good.
I like the brownie better, but this is good.
No, you can't like the brownie. That's so much better than brownie. Brownie's too much. Okay, churro cone. Oh my god. That's so good. I love churro.
Okay guys, I think that's gonna be it from me on this vlog. The graham cracker, not graham cracker, s'mores blizzard was good, but I'm such a chocolate lover that I think brownie might be my favorite still. Although I haven't tried, I think the brownie and then now the s'mores are the only blizzard flavors that I have tried. So if you have tried more than 2 blizzard flavors and you have a favorite, please let me know in the comments and I'll try it. Also, I do need to go shopping for vacation clothes still, so that will be coming out soon too. I'll either do, I'll bring you along, and then I'll do a try on haul at home if I do find something. So, see you next time guys. Bye. Actually, super quick. My friends Shaylee and Cameron from Life's a Birch got married 5 years ago today. I was in Utah 5 years ago today. That sucks. That's sad. I miss it.